my gents, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. For today's video we are going to review a makeup product after so long time. So finally we are going to review this Nykaa Skin Genius BB cream. बेसिकली ना मुझे इसका फाउंडेशन करना था लेकिन गलती से ये ऑर्डर हो गया था, तो मैं सोची कि चलो इसी का कर लेते हैं, बाद में कभी फाउंडेशन का भी कर लेंगे. So done my base today using this. You can easily say how this looks, and if you want to know more about it and also the demerit and the merits about it, kindly keep on watching. So let's move towards the video. But before we move forward towards the video, I'd like to request you to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so whenever I post a video you get notified. So let's just directly dive into the product. So this is the Nykaa All Skin Genius BB cream. Basically it is the all-in-one BB cream that comes with SPF 30. The product retails for rupees 349, but you can at least get it for rupees 315, and it is also available other than Nykaa in Amazon and in Flipkart if I'm not wrong. Also in various other websites you can just check it out, and where you get the best deal possible you can just grab it. So this product comes with this kind of pink color का packaging, which is really nice. पूरा direct pink नहीं है, इसमें बहुत अच्छा effect दिया हुआ. I feel it is the water color effect if I am not wrong. It's written both in upside and also the downside. In the back side of the product you will get to know some of the things about the product. For example, how it is used and what is the manufacturing date and expiry date. Also it is written here that it corrects uneven skin tone, hydrates and repairs your skin, and for how to use it is written that cleanse your face and apply it directly to even out skin tone. So maybe we don't need to apply moisturizer even, maybe, but it is also written here all-in-one cream, तो शायद नहीं लगाना होगा, but still I feel we should apply moisturizer first. Ingredients are mentioned in this side of the product, and here all the customer care email and all mentioned. So when you open the product, this is what the product looks like. This is the inner packaging. It is a tube container. It is not that pump sort of. It is लगता है ना कि ऐसे बहुत सारे फाउंडेशन वेस्ट होने का भी चांसेस है. So let me just take a bit. So I took a tiny amount and let's just see if it is actually a cream. आते हैं ना तो बहुत ही कोल्ड वाला इफेक्ट आता है. तो पैकेजिंग आई थिंक उनको ना बॉडी का कलर थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डार्क रखना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द शेड कलर, एंड इसमें ना लिटरली ओनली 5 शेड्स आर देयर, एंड आवर इंडियन स्किन टोन्स आर नॉट लिमिटेड टू 5 शेड्स. मतलब डार्केस्ट शेड पॉसिबल, एंड देन ऑल्सो आई फील इट इज़ लाइटर. इफ़ यू आर लाइक प्योर टू मीडियम स्किन शेड, then you can definitely give this a try if you want to. Other than that, I don't think it will work for darker people, for who are darker than me even, and I don't think even that it will work for my skin shade even. But let's just apply it. I'm really confused किसको mix कैसे करें. So I'm taking this फाउंडेशन ब्रश एंड ट्राइंग टू ब्लेंड इट ओवर, बिकॉज बहुत ही ना कोल्ड वाला इफेक्ट है. आई थिंक ये मेरे स्किन टाइप के लिए बेस्ट होगा, बिकॉज आई एम एन ऑयली स्किन टाइप. In this side I will blend it using the brush, and on the other side I will blend it using the hand, because it's written here normal cream जैसे यूज़ करना है इसको. So कवरेज तो अच्छा खासा है. हाथ से ब्लेंड करना ना बहुत पैची लग रहा है. इससे अच्छा we should blend it using the brush again. As you can see, here is a golden tint. As you can see, a golden tint is provided, and ये एकदम भी sticky नहीं लग रहा, बहुत ही ठंडा फील हो रहा है, and I think it will last you long for my skin type people who sweats a lot. मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा लास्ट करेगा, and I think I can also use it as a foundation even, not only as a BB cream. Let me just apply it in my under eyes to check if I can use it as a concealer or not. मुझे ना मल्टीपर्पज़ प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So let's just take it out. क्योंकि बहुत लाइट वेट है, यू आर नॉट फीलिंग इवन कि यू हैव अप्लाइड फाउंडेशन और एनीथिंग हैवी. इट जस्ट फील लाइक यू हैव अप्लाइड एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ क्रीम और सनस्क्रीन, दैट्स इट. What do you think? Because it feels so light on my skin shade, let now just complete our face makeup and see how it actually looks. I'll not do much, but I'll just apply lipstick and let's just see how it turns out. Because of the brush, आई थिंक ना मुझे ये मेरे स्किन शेड के लिए थोड़ा सा लाइट है, बिकॉज यू कैन डेफिनेटली से इट इज़ नॉट द मैच यू गेट, or it is not the match that you expect, but other than that I must say that it gives a flawless finish. To be very honest, it looks mattifying and it has a golden tint, so if you're lighter than me now, then you should definitely go for this. But if you're darker than me or I may not wear it on regular basis, because and I think now it gives you a very good finish. You should definitely go with brush or with blenders. With blenders, I don't think with fingers it will work the best, but if you are looking for long lasting but lightweight foundation or BB cream, then you should definitely go for this. And also, if you don't like foundation maybe or concealer, then you can definitely go this. And I think if you apply this 2 layer of this, then it will become a full coverage foundation, so which is really great. So this is nice, it very nicely because it's cream, right? So it just sticks on your pores. As you can see, थोड़ा इधर पैची होने लगा है, तो I think I didn't blend it nicely, and I don't think it can be used as a concealer, to be very honest, because मुझे नहीं लगता इसको कंसीलर से यूज़ कर सकते हो, बिकॉज उतना भी कवरेज नहीं है. फाउंडेशन 2 लेयर में यूज़ कर लो, वही बहुत बात होगा. Other than that, I think it's a very day-to-day life foundation or BB cream, you can say, having it on my skin shade, though it is not my match, but I really like it. I think I can make it work using a darker foundation, मतलब जो मेरे शेड का हो उस फाउंडेशन से थोड़ा मैच करके अगर मैं लगा लूँ तो शायद ये काम कर जाए. We'll try this out once surely. So yeah. So talking about the pros, it is lightweight, it feels cold on your face, उतना sticky feel नहीं होता. हो या सर्दियाँ हो, it is best for your skin and you will feel good in it. You will not feel like something is heavy in your face at all. You will feel like हाँ ठीक है, normal सा कुछ लगा है. And also it will give you a tinted glow, like golden tint वाला effect देगा आपको. So these are the pros, and also it is very quietly cheaper. No, I'll not say very cheap, because we can also get BB creams for like 200 even, but the product that it gives and the amount it is selling for is really good. मतलब उतना भी ज़्यादा cheap नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा है. इस amount में you can easily get it for ₹300, and the quantity you get is for 30 gram, which is really great. No complaints about the pricing and everything. And also the best thing about it is it comes with SPF 30, so no need to apply extra sunscreen, or even you are very secure कि आप इसको दिन में पहन के बाहर जा सकते हैं. And coming towards the cons, the first cons is that ये ऐसे पैकेजिंग वाले आते हैं ना, इसमें सारे प्रोडक्ट्स निकलते नहीं हैं, तो बहुत सा प्रोडक्ट अंदर ही रह जाता है, and which leads to wastage of products. So this is one cons. Another con is that वेरिएंट नहीं है यार. इज़ दैट शेड्स नहीं है. लिटरली 5 शेड है, और 5 शेड में थोड़ी ना हो जाता है. मतलब मेरे को ये थोड़ा लाइट है, अगर मेरा एक शेड ज़्यादा मिल जाता तो आई थिंक it would have matched me perfectly, and I don't need to even mix it with any foundation before applying it. I know it looks quite similar, but just see. One thing in the pros, like that is it is really flawless. It gives you a matte finish. आई थिंक डीमेरिट मेरे लिए एक ही होगा कि शेड वेरिएंट्स नहीं है एंड द प्रोडक्ट पैकेजिंग. बट प्रोडक्ट पैकेजिंग इज़ वेरी कॉमन, बिकॉज बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स ऐसे पैकेज वाले निकालते हैं, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स लाइक वी कैन नॉट यूज द फुल, बिकॉज एक टाइम पे थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट तो वेस्ट होगा ही होगा. फॉर दिस वीडियो यू गाइस, इफ यू लाइक एनीथिंग अबाउट द वीडियो, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब बटन, also the bell icon, so that whenever I post a video you get notified. Bye bye, Jem, see you next time.